Software that is developed to aid the user to perform a specific task is known as application software. The different kinds of application software are entertainment software. This software is slowly designed for the sake of entertainment. These can include example of video games, audio, music, animations, and cartoons. Productivity software. These are used to produce information in form of a task document, spreadsheets, digital arts, and digital painting, etc. Education and reference software. These are primarily used to enhance and assess the learning skills. We use the software to seek assist when we are being researching and developing on the educational groups, dictionaries, educational games, Google Maps, and tutorial are the perfect example to such kind of software. Working with Paint Third. Paint Third is a raster graphics and a third creative application. This is a refresh of Microsoft Paint. This application has numerous second and third tools that can work in collaboration to create fun and professional projects. This is an update of Microsoft Paint that was internally released in 2017. Some important features of Paint Third are given below. Brushes. Hover the mouse over the brush tool to display the name of the brush. Select the brush by clicking on the option of your choice and start driving lens by clicking on the left mouse button and dragging in from the starting point. There are several brush size, colors, and shapes to select from. From the menu select, you can save the project by clicking on the save option. Enter the name of the file and click save in the dialog box that appears. Creating second shapes. Following are the steps to create second shapes. Select second shapes option from toolbar. After selecting the shape of your choice, drag it out into the driving area. Modify the shape using the handles by the side of the shape to alter its size and shape. Making third image. Design a second image. Select the third mode to make the image third dimensional. Rotate the object and size by using the handles on the size. Clone stamp tool. This tool is used to copy the image. Drag the required shapes in the driving area. Select the stamp tool, the new shape appears. After selecting different options, repeat this process from required number of shapes. Driving starling lines and driving multi-option curves. Selecting the second shape tool, selecting the starting line tool. Drag the mouse from the starting point to stretch a line of desired length in any direction. Control the line in any direction by selecting the corners or the midpoints.